Finding the next big crypto for explosive growth. Cryptocurrency has created countless opportunities for investors to turn small investments into life-changing wealth. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain dominant, the real potential for massive gains lies in finding the next big crypto before it skyrockets. In 2025, blockchain technology is advancing at an incredible pace, and new projects are disrupting industries like finance, gaming, and artificial intelligence. The key to making a 10x return on investment is identifying cryptos with strong fundamentals, innovative use cases, and growing adoption before the masses catch on. Investing in the right crypto at the right time can be life-changing, but it's important to do thorough research. Factors like market trends, partnerships, tokenomics, and real-world utility all play a role in determining a project's success. Timing is also critical. Getting in early before the hype cycle can make the difference between small gains and massive profits. With the crypto market constantly evolving, new opportunities emerge every day. Some projects focus on decentralized finance, DeFi, while others aim to revolutionize industries with blockchain-based solutions. The best investments have strong teams, active communities, and clear roadmaps for growth. This guide will highlight 3 of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in right now, each with the potential to deliver 10x returns. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to crypto, these picks could be game changers for your portfolio. Like and subscribe for more insights on the best investment opportunities in crypto. 1. Solana, the high-speed blockchain with growing adoption. Solana has established itself as one of the most powerful blockchain networks, offering lightning-fast transaction speeds and ultra-low fees. With its innovative proof-of-history POW consensus mechanism, Solana can process over 65,000 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest networks in the crypto space. This efficiency has made it a top choice for decentralized applications, dApps, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and Web3 projects. In 2025, Solana continues to dominate the crypto market, attracting developers, investors, and businesses looking for scalable blockchain solutions. The network has seen massive adoption from NFT marketplaces, DeFi protocols, and major brands integrating blockchain technology. With a thriving ecosystem, Solana is positioned for massive growth, and its value could surge as demand increases. One of the biggest catalysts for Solana's future growth is its expansion into mobile technology. The release of Solana's Saka smartphone brings crypto-native applications to the mainstream, making it easier for users to interact with blockchain technology. This move could drive mass adoption and significantly boost Sol's value. Institutional investors are also taking notice of Solana, with major venture capital firms backing its ecosystem. With new partnerships, product launches, and increasing developer activity, Solana has the potential to deliver 10x returns as blockchain adoption accelerates. 2. Chainlink, LNK, the backbone of smart contracts. Chainlink is one of the most crucial projects of the blockchain space, providing decentralized oracles that connect smart contracts with real-world data. Without reliable external data, smart contracts would be limited in functionality. Chainlink solves this problem by allowing blockchains to securely interact with off-chain information, such as price feeds, weather data, and financial records. As blockchain adoption grows, the demand for secure and reliable oracle services is increasing. Chainlink has already partnered with hundreds of projects across DeFi, gaming, insurance, and enterprise solutions. Its expanding network of decentralized oracles makes it a foundational layer for the blockchain industry, positioning LNK for massive growth. In 2025, Chainlink's integration with major financial institutions and Fortune 500 companies is driving its adoption to new heights. With the rise of tokenized assets, DeFi applications, and real-world blockchain use cases, Chainlink services are becoming indispensable. New features like staking and cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, are further strengthening the network's value proposition. With a growing ecosystem and increasing institutional adoption, Chainlink's price has strong potential to surge in the coming years. As the demand for oracles skyrockets, Lang could easily achieve 10x returns, making it one of the top investments in the crypto space. 3. Arbitrum, ARB, the leading Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Ethereum remains the backbone of the decentralized world, but its high gas fees and slow transaction speeds have created challenges for users and developers. Arbitrum is solving these problems with its advanced Layer 2 scaling solution, providing fast and cost-efficient transactions while maintaining Ethereum's security. As Ethereum's adoption continues to grow, Arbitrum is emerging as a key player in the blockchain ecosystem. Its optimistic roll-up technology significantly reduces transaction costs and increases scalability, making it an attractive choice for DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and blockchain gaming platforms. Many of the biggest DeFi projects, including Uniswap, Aave, and Curve Finance, have already integrated with Arbitrum to enhance their efficiency. One of the biggest reasons Arbitrum has 10x potential is its increasing dominance in the Layer 2 market. It currently holds the highest total value locked, TVL, among all Ethereum scaling solutions, demonstrating strong user adoption and developer trust. As more projects migrate to Arbitrum to escape Ethereum's congestion and high fees, ARB's value is expected to rise significantly. In addition, Arbitrum has a strong governance model that empowers the community to shape its future. With continuous upgrades and new partnerships, Arbitrum is positioned for exponential growth, making it a top crypto investment for long-term gains. Invest in the future of crypto and secure 10x gains. The crypto market is constantly evolving, and the best opportunities often come before mainstream adoption. Investing in high-potential projects with strong fundamentals and real-world use cases can lead to massive returns. In 2025, Solana, Chainlink, and Arbitrum are three of the most promising cryptos with the potential to deliver 10x gains. However, investing in crypto comes with risks, including volatility and regulatory changes. To maximize success, investors should diversify their portfolios, stay informed about market trends, and use proper risk management strategies. Timing is crucial, and getting in early on these projects could lead to life-changing profits. With blockchain technology revolutionizing industries, the next wave of crypto millionaires will be those who invest wisely today. If you're looking to capitalize on the biggest opportunities in the crypto space, consider adding these high-growth projects to your portfolio. Like and subscribe for more expert insights on cryptocurrency, investing, and wealth-building strategies.